It's all about crime prevention as crime prevention reduce relation that sometimes exists between police and citizens. Community policing neighborhood watch orange and control we can say with democracy program build and bridge that enable residents and law enforcement to communicate, collaborate, and work together to build safer and more caring communities. So, mag-select na ni crime prevention once yan nagtulungan ang kuhan ang police officer ng community para ma-prevent ang kuhan crime, mga heinous crime. Asya ito ng kuhan, crime prevention. Ngayon naman siya sa community policing. It is a policing philosophy that promotes and support organizational strategies and address the causes of crime to reduce the fear of crime and social disorder through problem-solving tactics and community policy partnership. Sa community policy naman, parehas yun sa Juan Prevention, nagkukunan police officer pati ang community para ma-organize at usa nga crime para tapos maiwasan nyo ang mga crime, mga heinous crime. Mali naman po sa the piece of community policy. A philosophy of full service and personalized and policing were the same of officers, patrol and works in the same area on a permanent basis from a
Decentralized.
place working partnership with citizens to identify and solve problems. Lastly, towards normative sponsorship theory. More people are good where they will cooperate with others to participate the building of consensus. The more of the bodies group share common values, belief, and goals, the more likely it is that they will agree on common goals. Ano naman sa critical
Social theory.
social theory.
Enlightenment.
An enlightenment gave information. Nagtatagpuan kada man sa mga informasyon para maliwanagan ng mga kadaw sa mga tao o grupo para mapupoy kung nano ang mga bagay-bagay. And then, hindi naman sa empowerment take action to improve coordination. Paano naman siya? Naghahatag kapangyarihan or kuhaan lang ang para sa mga tao o grupo para magsagawa sa mga bago nga kuhaan pa mga programa ba para maiwasan ng mga crime prevention. Tapos, emancipation people can achieve through social action. Tapos, nandiyan sa community relationship provide. Work in social value. A more informed
Citizenry.
Ngansan example to the young people and others. Ngansan
Added value.
added value. Opportunity to learn about law enforcement while working with the law enforcement. Ngansan learning about the citizen concern. Tapos nga rin naman sa effective communication for the police-community relationship. Communication is defined as any act by which one person gives to or receives for another person's information about the person needs, desire, perception, and knowledge of affected state. Communication may be
Intentional.
intentional or unintentional, may be
Involved.
involved, conventional or unconventional signals may be take linguistic or non-linguistic form and may be occur through spoken or other moves. Ano naman sa other definition of communication? Another definition of communication. The act of communication through transmission.
Ano transmit?
The, the exchange
Exchange.
of thoughts, message, or information as speech, signal, writing, or behavior. Then, the art and techniques of using words effectively to impart information or ideas. Then, the field of study concerned with transmission of information by various means such as print or broadcasting and any of various professions involved with transmission of information such as advertising, broadcasting, and journalism. And something communicated a message. And last one is the means of communicating, especially a system such as mail, telephone, or television for sending and receiving message. That's all. Thank you, Mom.